If you want a whore, buy one. If you want a queen, earn her. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And today we are serving full-on Queen Cersei realness herself. And new after my Daenerys transformation, which I will link down below, I thought it was only fitting to also do a Cersei transformation, so here she is in her full Game of Thrones cosplay glory. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your opinions of the final season of Game of Thrones were. I, for one, was not a huge fan and I was severely disappointed. But you want to know what's not a disappointment? This YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscription button and that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time, plus lots of bonus days, so make sure that bell's hit. And without further ado, let's become a queen, shall we? Thanks for watching. To the queen.
So yeah, sorry about the audio in the intro. I have no idea what happened with my microphone, but let's hope it never happens again. I'm starting this transformation off with a hefty amount of coffee and a freshly cleansed and shaved face, and then to prime I took my Rimmel Matte Perfect Primer, and then filling my pores using the Benefit Porefessional Primer, since you can damn well best believe Cersei's gonna look poreless and flawless. For my drag base, I just went in with my usual beard blocker from Give Face Cosmetics, set it down with the Apricot setting powder, went in with my Kryolan TV paint stick in the shade 3W, followed by the Infallible foundation from L'Oreal, highlighted my under eyes using Ivory and contoured using 7W, and then set it all heavily in place using the Coty Loose Airspun powder. I then just threw on my brows off camera and let's tackle the eyes. For the eyes, I took the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair eyeshadow palette, since I thought it was very fitting for the theme of this look. I started by highlighting my brow bone using a matte white eyeshadow, and then I took a more cool toned brown kind of softly just through the crease initially, and then I kind of deepened it and added more as I realized how nice this palette was and how nice it was blending. I pretty much went full force and full on smoky. I deepened up my crease using a little bit of a deeper shade of brown, and pretty much my overall goal for this look was like a full on matte eyeshadow look with like a really harsh bitch like smokiness to it. So that's kind of what I went for. And then kind of buffed over the outer edges with a slightly lighter shade of brown and deepened the outer V with a deeper shade of brown. And I wanted this look to kind of stay matte overall. I do a lot of like glossy, shimmery, glittery eyeshadow looks, and I wanted this one to kind of be very matte and a little bit different than what I usually go for. I then just smoked out my lower lash line using that same deeper shade of brown, and then smoked it out with the kind of lighter shades of brown that I used in my upper crease area. I wanted my eyes to look really like smouldering and kind of evil and bitchy, so that's what I went for. I then applied some concealer to my eyelid just to map out the eyeshadow shape and set it down with that same initial matte white that I used under my brow bone. And then I was super feeling like the drama, so I smoked out my lower lash line even further. From here, I then just went in and threw in some winged liner off camera just to give that like fierceness to my eyes, as well as add some black to my waterline. To contour, I went in with my Makeup Revolution highlight and contour kit, and I didn't really apply any like blush or anything. I just wanted to keep the skin quite nice and matte. And so for highlight, I didn't even go in with anything like shimmery. I just took the dewy setting powder from Give Face Cosmetics and used it as my highlighter. For lips, I went in with Earth from BH Cosmetics and then filled them in with Velvet Teddy from MAC, just to kind of give a neutral lip with a little bit of kind of depth and dimension to it. And then, yeah, that is the finished Cersei transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like